show is on the corners here, there's these little rubber boots right here. Not these ones that hold the laptop, because these two there in the corners. These right here are actually a thingamajigger that covers up one of the screws. So that one is like a hex screw. I always put these over here so I don't lose them. So they're like a star shaped. And you need one of these kits to take this apart, because HP likes using like 8 different kinds of screws. So it's out, I just gotta lift it up. So here's my little magnetic knife to get it out. So I usually get the screen off before I take the chassis apart, because it makes the chassis a lot lighter and I don't want this weight on the screen when it's upside down. So my phone here will focus. So that's what I'm doing. I'm taking the screws off, and then once I get it off, I'll show you guys the next step.